Bitcoin had yesterday an insane bounce, exactly as I predicted it. We got our breakout and we got really close to our target. I had closed my long position when we got close to it. And now we are in danger for further upside potentially, and we have to talk about this because we have a massive CME gap, and of course I have a lot of more content prepared for you today, guys. So definitely stick around here, subscribe to the channel, like this video, and also activate the bell so that you will always be notified when I put out one of these important updates. So now let's jump directly into the charts here. First of all, when we have a look at the DXY, at the Dixie, we finally see that we are breaking under 104 points here. The next bigger support area for the DXY is all the way down here at 102.35. So there's a lot of room for the DXY to go down, especially with all the turmoil right now, with what's happening in the US, and also the RSI has still a lot of room to go here to the downside. So over the next couple of days, I'm pretty sure that we come down here and test this here as again as support until we see then a potential bounce back to the upside. And that is of course good news for Bitcoin, because when we're going down here, Bitcoin goes up and the whole crypto market overall. So, and that's exactly what we want to see, and while we are at these low prices. So now when we go to the CME chart, you see that exactly that happened, that what I had warned about. It's just a little bit bigger than what I anticipated, that this CME gap here from 20,380 all the way up to 21,080. So this is a $700 gap here that will be filled sooner or later. And I think it will be a quick fill in the next coming days, where we turn around and go then back up like this. So normally these CME gaps, they are filled really quick, and then we see a turnaround in the reverse direction. So, and yeah, of course that would be not nice to see that, because Bitcoin is trading here on the CME at $22,300. So this is a $2,000 drop, a 10% drop back to the downside. But I believe it will be coming by the end of this week or early next week that we see this getting filled. So now when we're looking here on Bitstamp, so don't forget on Bitstamp, it's usually a little bit higher than on the futures platform. So here we are trading at $22,500 and are getting here into our resistance area here, and Bitcoin makes an attempt, in my opinion, to break through that. And if we can manage to do that, to get here over $22,700 across all exchanges, then we will definitely go all the way up to $23,300, $500 before we see any major correction. So the next couple of hours are really crucial here for Bitcoin to see what's going to be happening here. If we break through that level and settle above that and then continue to go here to the upside, or if we get a rejection from the top of the resistance and see then a correction back to the downside and fill the CME gap. So then here on the daily chart, perfect support level right now from the 200 moving average here. So that was where we opened the candle today, and we are continuing to push it to the upside. So, and I had told you guys, I believe that this move here would be a potential fake out. So, and now we see that was a fake out, and the falling wedge that we had here is playing out, and the target of the falling wedge is still here at the top at $25,460. And also the hidden bullish divergence is right now in the process of playing out. So, and also to complete that, we have to go at least to $23,800 to complete this hidden bullish divergence. It is right now confirmed because we are moving here to the upside. So here you see we are really close to hit here our target at $22,600, let's say $700. From the trade that I have given you yesterday, my video came out at the perfect timing. I could have not made it any better, in my opinion, for you guys, and you still had ample time to get into that trade before we broke it to the upside. So congratulations to everybody that was able to catch that trade. And now of course I'm on the outlook for the next potential trade here. So on the 4-hourly chart, what I don't like is that we are overextended on the stochastic RSI. So potentially we should look here for a scalp opportunity to the downside. I would take a potential trade. Let's say we get all the way up to $22,900. Then that would be a scalping opportunity. Let me see. Like this, yeah. So risk to reward ratio is 1 to 4 more or less, and we can make here 6.3% on the way to the downside. So if you trade this with 20x leverage, it's over 100% that we can make here, because the 4-hourly stochastic has to come down, and also the 12-hourly has to come down. The daily has still 1 or 2 days left when I look at it when it comes to the room on the stochastic, but the shorter time frames, they need to cool down. So, and we will see in that process some sort of consolidation or downwards movement, where we go sideways downwards, and most likely then here back into this pocket here, and then we're gonna shoot up again. So that's why I'm looking right now at this potential short opportunity. That would be only invalidated, in my opinion, if we reclaim, let's say here, $23,500 and $23,200. So if we, let me mark this out. So if we come up here to this range here, and we close the 1-hourly or 4-hourly candle above that range, and just starting to flip this into support and maybe go here sideways like this, that will be the next area where I'm going to take a long position, and then all the way up to $28,000 potentially. So that is my next play, 2 plays that I'm looking at here right now. And guys, don't forget, if you want to trade with me together, do it on BYBIT. There you still get $30,000 absolutely for free for using my link, or a Bitget $20,000 also only with that link. I know from BYBIT this will soon expire, so definitely take advantage of that while it's still there. The links are in the pinned comment below and in the description just below. So now when we are looking here on the 30 minutes chart, so here we see actually that we have a lot of room to continue to push it to the upside. So we have now retested $22,600, that resistance here more or less. We got really close to it. We got yesterday up here, we got close here and there today, and now with this candle also again really close. So and we have here potentially another 3 hours of upwards movement before we see any sort any kind of bigger correction here. So and that could mean that we get here all the way up into this area that I just talked about, $23,200, $23,500, at least with a wick before we see any downwards movement. So you of course can also scalp this to the upside, get in at 22,600 and scalp this to the upside. But for me, it's not worth it. I rather wait until the indicators cool all down and have settled, and then take a new position. Guys, that's it for today's video already. I hope you enjoyed it. Please make sure that you smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you then again tomorrow.